What is up, everybody? We are doing a wine barrel pub table that's going to have a glass inlay. So I'm going to show you how I carve out the area for the inlay so we can lay the glass in nice and flush and you can see the top of the barrel then. I just got done cutting the outer edge of this top. Still got the center hub in, which I'm going to take out so I can clean off the top and put the glass on just to check dimensions before I get started. All right, the glass is 1/2 inch thick. So I'm taking the Kreg spacers. I like to use them. And we're gonna set All right, the next and final step before I start routering out the recess is to set up on this Rockler circle cut jig the proper diameter for the recess. Now you want to check it in a couple spots to make sure that everything is centered properly. And you want to give yourself a little extra space so the glass can sit down in and you can take it back out if you need to clean underneath it. And lastly, you want to leave a little room for expansion and contraction of the wood. I would recommend remeasuring your glass diameter just in case there's a nominal variation to the diameter that you're not aware of. Check to make sure the glass is going to fit before I do the final cut, which would be all the way through to take out this center so you'll be able to see the top of the barrel. It's going to be a little snug. I'm going to widen it out a little bit, make one more pass further out. right, that should do it. We're gonna drop the depth on the router to plunge all the way through. And leave a little lip so the glass can sit above the barrel. Man, glitter. Moment of truth. There it is. All right, so that was my little tutorial on how I get my glass in my tabletops, and then just stay tuned for the rest of the barrel cabinet and pub table. Thank you for watching.